How to redeem the Capital One rewards. Hey guys, and let's get started. There are different ways by which you can redeem the Capital One rewards. So if you have the flexibility to use them as per your wish. If you like to travel often, you might redeem miles for the future flight or travel purchase. However, if you're going out is more of your speed, you could redeem rewards for the restaurant gift card. Some of other ways by which you can redeem them differently is: first of all is cash. For that, you can use it in the form of statement credit or check. Likewise, you can use rewards to get reimbursed for the recent purchase. You can also redeem your cashback rewards as a gift card from restaurants, retailers, and much more. If you're using Amazon.com, you can pay for your orders by applying your rewards at checkout. Similarly, you can also use your reward balance as payment method when checking out online by adding your reward card to your PayPal wallet. Additionally, you can also book a flight, hotel, or rental car through Capital One Travel using your reward points. Likewise, you can also transfer miles to loyalty programs and use it in travel loyalty program partners. Additionally, if you want to redeem the Capital One credit card rewards, you just have to sign in into your online account or through the application. After that, go to the rewards card section and view rewards. Choose how you would like to redeem your rewards, view your rewards activity, and much more, and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.